Why choose U.S. Money Reserve? U.S. Money Reserve is the only precious metals company with a former director of the U.S. Mint as its president. U.S. Money Reserve was founded in 2001. Since that time, U.S. Money Reserve has served over 500,000 individual clients. More than 2.2 million coins have shipped from our main vault facility. And we've been responsible for over $1.4 billion in trusted transactions. In the fast-paced world of personal finance, the only way to stay ahead is prompt, personalized customer service, innovative technology, resilient infrastructure, and a company philosophy of always putting its customers and employees first. Taking great care of customers starts with a vision and a commitment to offering a variety of products and provide wealth protection, which has set the standard for our industry for the past 18 years. There is nothing more important in today's America than asset protection. Welcome to U.S. Money Reserve, one of the nation's largest and most trusted sellers of government-issued gold, silver, and platinum coins. Founded in 2001 by veterans of the precious metals industry, the company's groundbreaking programs and sustainable year-over-year growth has been tied to outstanding leadership, stability, and best-in-class customer service. Since 2001, U.S. Money Reserve has served over 500,000 individuals with over $1.4 billion in trusted transactions, helping families strengthen their financial security with asset protection in the form of precious metals. U.S. Money Reserve, America's gold authority.